At ConocoPhillips, we believe we're defined by what we pass on to the next generation, the way we live, what we teach. That's why ConocoPhillips is working with Rebuilding Together to help homes and communities across our country become energy efficient. Teaching our children the importance of giving back. Making better use of our energy supplies. Finding long-term solutions for future generations. So we can pass on what matters to the ones who matter most. ConocoPhillips. Energy for tomorrow.